Hi. Come here, Bree. Bree, come. Come here. Wow, my babies. Hi. Chloe. Look, Chloe over there. Chloe. Hi.
Alright, okay. Hello? Hi! Okay, dapat hi, no? Hi! Hi! Hello. When I say hi, what would you say? Hello. Okay, hi! Hello. Okay, make it loud, guys. Hi! Hello! Alright, hello! Hi! Hello, hello! Hep, hep!
Hooray!
Sino sumagot? Alright, guys. Kilala niyo may birthday today? Okay, ano name niya? Ha? What? Safina. Okay, sino si Safina? Taas kamay. Raise your hand. Okay, come here, Safina. Are you Safina? Hindi ka. Okay. Alright, palakpakan muna natin yung birthday girl natin. Siyempre. Alright, okay guys, we start the party. May request si Safina. Kantahan niyo raw siya ng happy.
Birthday!
Sing her a birthday song, okay? As loud as you can, alright? In a count of 3. Game. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, kanya may fireworks pa. Okay, one more kids with clappings, okay? 1, 2, 3, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, palakpakan natin si Safina. Okay, kids, greet nyo naman siya. Happy birthday, Safina.
Happy birthday.
One more.
Happy birthday, Safina.
Louder.
Happy birthday, Safina.
Much louder.
Happy birthday, Safina.
Okay, laki ng bibig ni Kuya, huh? Okay, alright. Palakpakan natin yung birthday girl. Okay, thank you very much, Safina. Happy birthday and welcome to your birthday. Okay, alright. Okay, guys, who wants to have some toys? Raise your hand. Okay, okay. Alright. Yung pinakamabilis sumagot sa the fastest, let it be. Okay. Alright. Okay, guys, who want to have some toys? Raise your hand. Alright. You want? Okay, 50 pesos each. Alright. Okay, my first game, I need a boy. Okay, sino yung boy? Yan, naglalaro ng Barbie. Siya. Alright, palakpakan naman natin siya, guys. Okay, come here. Yan, okay. Alright, what's your name?
Ivan.
Do you speak Tagalog? Do you speak Tagalog?
No.
No? Talk to him.
No!
No, okay. How old are you?
5.
Are you okay?
Yes.
I'm not. Alright. Okay, the mechanics of the game, okay, going to copy me, alright?
Yeah.
Copy me, okay? In English, pirated me. Okay, going to greet Sabina like this. Happy birthday, Sabina! Alright, as long as you can. Are you ready?
Yes.
Make it loud. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, sample muna. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Safina!
Alright, palakpakan nyo naman guys. Galing, alright. That's what we call sample, okay? This time, game na to, bibilangan ka na ni Tagpe. Okay,
Yes.
Tagpe, ha? Okay. Make it loud, ha, kuya, ha? Happy birthday, Safina, alright? Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Safina!
How many counts?
21.
21, okay. Round of applause, guys. Okay, how about the girl? Girl. Ayan, come here. Yan, and your name is?
Marie.
Do you speak Tagalog? Dylan. Oh my goodness. I don't got tissue. How old are you?
Marie's old.
4.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Make it loud.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
High five. Alright, make it loud.
Happy
Not yet. When I say go, alright? Okay, game. Ready, set, go.
birthday, Sofina!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many counts? 14. Okay, palakpakan naman natin siya, guys. Okay, boys, again. Ayan, ito si Kuya. Ayan. Ito, maraming hangin to. Okay, dali, Kuya. Come here. Okay, and your name is?
Michael!
Do you speak Tagalog?
No.
No. Mag-enroll ka sa akin, ha? Tuturuan kita. Okay, how old are you?
Not 2.
2? You're only 2? Are you sure? How old are you?
I am.
You are. Are you ready
Yes.
to eat?
Yes.
Okay, give me some food. Now we're going to greet Sabina. Okay, happy birthday, Sabina. Alright, as long as you can. Alright? Okay, ready, set, not yet. Go.
Happy birthday, Sofina!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many ka? 5 counts, okay. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Okay, how about the girls? Girls, ayan, come here. Okay. Alright, ba? Ganda nyo. Animal. Aliens. Aliens, okay. We heal them out. Alright? Are you ready? Doc, make it loud, okay? Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Sofina!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Para tinawag lang, how many guys? 5, okay. Who else? Who else? Dali guys, ay, dali, come here. Okay. Dalawa? Sige, pila kayo ha. Yeah. What's your name?
Hayden.
Do you speak Tagalog?
No.
Why? How old are you?
5.
Are you studying?
Yes.
Where?
No.
School. Okay. What's the name of the school?
Huh?
Are you ready? Okay, make it loud, Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, high five. Alright, ready, set.
Go.
Happy birthday, Sabina. Ba ka siya? Ako ba? Siya nag-go eh. Ako mag-go. Okay, ang gulo ko. Okay. Okay, ako mag-go, kuya, Alright? Okay, ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Sofina!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Kailan? 17, okay. Thank you, kuya. Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Allen.
Do you speak Tagalog?
No.
How old are you?
5.
5. Are you okay?
Yes.
How about me?
Yes.
I'm okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, make it loud, kuya. Okay. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Sofina!
Palakpakan nyo muna, guys, para ganahan. Oh, yeah. Okay, one more. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Sofina!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, 6 lang. Okay. Okay, last 2, girls. Girls. Who else? Alright, dali, come here. Alright, dali. Sayang yung prizes natin, dami. Yan. And your name is?
Katia.
What?
Katia.
Katir?
Katia. His name is Katia.
Katir.
Hindi, Katia.
Ay, ikaw na. Katir. Galit ka kagad. Ikaw talaga yung tulong mo aga-aga.
Daddy, beside you.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Katir? Kati? Kati? How old are you?
4.
5. Okay. Alright. Ano ba? 4. Ilan na siya? How old? Brother kayo. Are you brother? Are you sister?
Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy, beside you.
Okay, let it be. Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, make it loud, baby girl, okay? Happy birthday, Sabrina. As long as you can, okay? You understand me? Alright? Okay, ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Fina.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.
No more? Okay. Alright, a round of applause. Okay, guys. Alright, last one. How about you? Young man, come here. Alright. What are you saying later? Is she your sister?
Yes.
Are you older than her?
Yes.
That's what I thought, you know. Am I right?
Yes.
No, I mean your left. Okay. Are you ready
Yes.
to go home?
No.
Okay. Okay, happy birthday, Sabina, alright? As long as you can, okay? Alright, inhale. Alright, okay, make it loud. Happy birthday, Sabina. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday.
One more. You're choppy, man. Happy birthday, Sabina, like that, okay? Alright, one more. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Sammy.
Alright, choppy again, okay? Alright, say Sabina. Sabina.
Happy birthday,
Not yet. Say Sabina.
Safina.
Sabina.
Safina.
Alright. Happy birthday, Safina. Alright. Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Safina.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Alright. High five. Alright. 16 counts. Palakpakan natin siya, guys. Okay. Alright. No more? Who else? No more? Talika ate. Talika ulit. Ay. No more? Sino pa? No more? How about you, Kuya? Alright. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Yan. Okay. Hi. Good morning.
Hi.
Alright. Just wake up.
It's a girl. Five.
Okay. Sabi ko. Okay. Alright. Are you ready?
Yes.
What's your name?
Ambrose.
Your What's your name?
Ambrose.
Ambrose.
This one's the boy one. This one's the boy song.
Ambrose. Okay. Do you know this guy?
And this one's the girl.
Oh, yeah. He's familiar, right?
This one's the boy.
Yeah, she's ugly.
Girl did that boy.
Do you know him? Okay. Say happy birthday, Sabina. Ambrose, ha? As long as you can. Alright? Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Safina.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
How many counts? Alright. Thank you, Kuya. Alright. Okay, guys. Sino highest count sa girls? Highest count sa girls po. Si Ivan. Girls, highest count. Si?
15 na girl eh.
15. Oh. Cathy, where's Cathy? Cathy ba? Tama? Ah, come here. Lady. Siya. Okay, highest count sa boys. Highest count. Ivan.
Ivan.
Where's Ivan? Ayun, okay, come here. Alright. Ivan, what's your name?
Ivan.
Ivan, okay. What's your name again? Cathy. Alright. Okay, alright. Okay, here's your prize. Wala na kayo tatanong, may Yeah, what would you say, Kuya?
Thank you.
Yeah, hey. How about you, little girl? What would you say?
Happy
And?
Thank you.
And? Alright, thank you. Okay, alright. Okay, guys, palakpakan natin yung winners natin. Okay. Okay, kids, listen. My next game, I need 4. No? Okay, listen very carefully, because this is very hard. See? Alright? You're just going to copy the animals that I would say. Okay? For example, what the sound of the dog? Bird. How does it bird? What? Whoa. Okay, make it loud. One more. Louder.
Roof.
Row. Make it twice.
Roof.
Row, row.
Roof. Roof.
Alright, okay. Dog.
Roof. Roof.
Dog. 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 PC. Dog.
Arf.
Dog. Cat. 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 Alright, very good, guys. In 3 seconds, if you didn't copy the sound, you'll be eliminated. Wow, galing ko, ah. Okay, are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Okay, make it louder. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, game, dog. Come on, chicken.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Alright, sorry, what's your name?
Ian.
Nice meeting you. Have a seat. Sorry, got it. Okay. Alright. Okay, game. Make it loud, kids, ha? Alright. Sino bukas ang ilaw? Okay, patay. Okay, game. Dog. 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 Cat. 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 Sorry. Okay. Cat or? Okay. Alright. Okay, game. Make it loud, kids, huh? Alright, game. Dog. 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 Cat.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Cat. Chicken. 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 You don't know chicken? Chicken is lucky me. Okay. Alright. Okay, guys. Game. Make it louder, huh? Okay, game. Dog. 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 Cat.
Meow.
Cat. Alright, sorry. Have a seat. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, game. One more. Cat.
Louder.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Bark.
Bark. Chicken.
Okay.
Okay, chicken.
Bark, bark.
Alright, chicken. Chicken.
Bark, bark.
Chicken. Chicken.
Bark, bark.
Bak bak. Chicken. Pak pak. Oo, meron siya ng chicken. Iba na yun. Okay. Chicken. Frog.
Brad.
Robot.
Hello, Robot.
Robot. One more. Frog.
Ribbit.
Frog.
Brad. Brad, come here. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, sorry. Frog, okay? That's right, rabbit. Okay. Not robot. Okay. Okay, game. Cat.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Chicken.
Bark.
Chicken. Frog.
Rabbit.
One more. Frog.
Rabbit.
Frog.
Ribbit.
Frog.
Ribbit.
Frog.
Ribbit.
Goat.
Ribbit.
Goat? Rabbit? I'm sorry. Okay, have a seat. Thank you. Okay, dito tayo, guys. Dito tayo. Dali, mainit na dyan eh. Dito tayo, dito tayo. Ayan, okay. Okay, yan. Okay, make it loud ha. Kids ha, tatlo na lang kayo eh. Alright? Okay, game. Dog.
Bark.
Dog.
Bark.
One more. Dog.
Bark.
Bark.
Bark. Dog. Dog.
Bark.
Cat.
Get.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Goat.
Go.
Meow.
Go! Alright, sorry baby girl, have a seat. Okay, what's your name?
Eden.
And?
Sid.
Okay, make it loud, huh? Alright? Dog.
Bark.
Dog.
Bark.
Dog.
Bark.
Cat.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Bird.
Bird.
Tweet.
Bird.
Bird.
Bird! That's right. I'm sorry. Okay, a round of applause for our winner. Okay. Alright, for you. And, what would you say?
Thank you.
And?
Welcome.
Alright, thank you. Welcome to Alright. Okay. Bye-bye. Alright. Okay, guys. Alright. My next game. Explain mo nga. Next game ko. Okay. Alright. Okay, my next game, kids, listen, is what we call Bring Me Something. Alright? Okay? I'm just requesting everybody to stand up so you can get the things. Alright? Okay, everybody stand up. Yan, okay. Get me a thing.